Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus against the iPhone X. So how will the Galaxy S9 Plus do against Apple's best? Let's find out in this video. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It has a Quad HD screen, it's on Android Oreo, it has the Exynos 9810 as the processor, and is coupled with the Mali G72 GPU, and it has 6GB of RAM. Next up is the iPhone X. It has a Super Retina HD screen. It's on the latest version of iOS 11. It has the A11 Bionic as the processor, and it uses the Apple GPU, and it has 3GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps or games running in the background, and the first app to be opened will be the camera app, and they load it up at the same time. Next will be the browser test, and I'll be using Chrome and go to the Verge website. Here we go, and they are starting to load up, and the advert loaded faster on the iPhone X. Next will be Hot UK deals, and that loaded up faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Next is Photoshop, and I'll load up the same photo, and that loaded faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. And now going to Microsoft Word, and I'll go and find that template, and that loaded up faster on the iPhone X. So the scores are tied up right now. Next is YouTube, and I'll load up the same video. Here it is, and they both loaded up and played at the same time. Moving on to the first game, Horizon Chase. The iPhone X seems slightly faster. Yes, it is. It's gone to the title screen. And I'll let that play in the background. Super Mario Run. Ready to be played on the Galaxy S9 Plus first. And it loaded up fractionally faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Skyforce. Okay, so far it looks the same. Nope, it's slightly faster on the iPhone X. Sonic Forces. And that loaded up faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Spider-Man Unlimited. I've got a feeling it's going to be faster on the iPhone X. Yes, it is. And the last game, Temple Run 2. Can the Galaxy S9 Plus even up the scores? Yes, it has. So I'll just start the game up and leave it playing in the background. So round 1, the scores are neck and neck. Time for round 2, the RAM management, and as you can see all the apps and games are in the background. And I'll start off with Temple Run 2, and they are both running in the background. Moving to Spider-Man Unlimited, again no problems here, and they are both playing fine. Moving to Sonic Forces, again no problems here from either of the devices. Skyforce. Okay, yep, the iPhone X has to restart the game. Super Mario Run. Again the same thing here from the iPhone X, restarted the game. Horizon Chase. Yes, the iPhone 10 has restarted the game again. YouTube. And the iPhone 10 actually has lost the video. Microsoft Word. And the iPhone 10 has actually exited the document. So it's looking quite bad for the iPhone 10. Photoshop. And the same thing here. It's actually exited the photo. Hot UK deals. No reloading needed on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The browser or Chrome. Okay, and they both reloaded the advert at the same time. And finally the camera app, and they both opened up at the same time. So in round 2 the Galaxy S9 Plus won by 7 points. Moving on to the Geekbench 4 test, both of these phones are on the latest update at the time of recording, and essentially it's going to be Samsung's Exynos going up against Apple's A11 Bionic. The iPhone 10 completed the CPU benchmark at 2 minutes 48 seconds, with the Galaxy S9 Plus finishing about 24 seconds later. The iPhone 10 has a single core score higher than the Galaxy S9 Plus by more than 450 points, and the multi-core score is higher again on the iPhone 10 by more than 1400 points. And finally the compute test, and we'll get straight into the results. The iPhone 10 completed the compute benchmark at 52 seconds, with the Galaxy S9 Plus 1 second later. Now the scores are much higher on the iPhone 10 by more than 8000 points. And that is the end of the speed test comparison, and here are the scores at a glance. Now in round 1 they both tied. When it came to round 2, the Galaxy S9 Plus was flawless. It had all the apps and games in the background. However, when it comes to the Geekbench 4 test, it's a completely different story. The iPhone 10 crushed the Galaxy S9 Plus, and that is thanks to the A11 Bionic. So what did you make of this comparison? Do let me know in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing to see more content. The next videos will be the comparisons with the Google Pixel 2 XL, so make sure your notifications are enabled to see that. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.